Okay, good evening, everyone. So we are live again on this Wednesday. We are here to talk about the negative and sexist terms that are used for women. So all of us, the panelists, the audience, हमने अपनी अपनी जिंदगी में सुनते ही आ रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ, और हमें शायद अब ये पता भी नहीं चलता कि वो नेगेटिव या सेक्सिस्ट टर्म था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू नो, फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक, ये छोटे बाल रखोगी क्या, ये लड़का बनना चाहती हो.
मेरे साथ I think it was like you have a child now, quit work, handle home.
Or you are the CEO.
Oh, Zoom party. Oh, hen parties. It's the webinar you people do.
ओ तुम्हें मैथ्स पसंद है. मैथ्स ऑनर्स वाली तो लड़की नहीं लगती तुम.
Oh, I see. दूरदर्शन से MTV.
Are you PMSing?
Oh, balance sheet. Can you understand it?
मीता.
शुरू हो गई.
So, you know, subtly हमें पता नहीं चलता है, कुछ हमारी जिंदगी में हमेशा ये होता है. So let me introduce our panelists to you. So we have Mrs. World Divine Ritu Rathi. She's the glam queen, and you know she has had her share of things, sexist remarks. There's Arpita, who's a food blogger, who's a content writer, and an awesome singer. So we'll hear her at the end of the show. And Meeta, नाम तो सुना होगा. So she's the co-founder of Sipping Thoughts, and she's a beautiful lady. And I am a teacher, math teacher, and a Vedic math teacher, that too. So here we are with you guys. So let's have a good discussion. Let's share our experiences together. So हम आम जिंदगी में ऐसी क्या-क्या चीजें हैं जो सुनते आ रहे हैं जो हमारे लिए नॉर्मल हो गई हैं. So Arpita, what do you say?
बहुत मतलब you know things like ये कि अच्छा you are the CEO, or so I'm not a food blogger, I am actually a food stylist and consultant. तो जब मैं अपना कैफे चलाती थी और कोई BMC वाला आ रहा है, म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन वाला या कोई, तो हर कोई मुझे बोलता था कि आप ओनर को बुला देंगे, and then I had to tell them, अरे I'm the owner. Like, you know, they would always you know, equate being an owner to somebody who is male. There was never a female ownership kind of thing they would understand. तो ये मैंने personally face किया, मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता था ये. पर I mean, yeah, I mean, it used to happen almost every other time. हर vendor के साथ होता था.
और पता है मैंने भी ऐसे कल हुआ, कल बिजली वाला आया मेरे घर के बाहर खड़ा होकर घंटी बजाई. मैंने कहा हाँ भैया बताओ. तो कह रहे भैया को बुला देना. मैंने कहा क्यों, मेरे पास दिमाग नहीं है क्या, समझ नहीं आएगी. कह रही हूँ कि मेरे पास दिमाग नहीं है. लाइक व्हाट इज इट. सो यू नो इट इज लाइक विद ऑल ऑफ अस.
तो सेम थिंग मीनल, इवेंट्स में पहले तो अच्छा रात में ये काम लड़कियों का नहीं है, आप इतने लड़कों के बीच में काम हैंडल करेंगी और फिर काम सारा आप कर लो. अकाउंट्स में आपके साथ करूं कि विकास के साथ करूं, क्यों जी काम मैं करूं और पैसे का हिसाब रखना मुझे नहीं आता. So that is, I think, everywhere.
Yeah, agree totally, Meeta, because the same thing just happened with me too, you know. The moment I won the contest, and I got back home, you know, everybody in the surroundings started calling me beauty with brains. I mean, all of a sudden people started objectifying me because of my success. What about, you know, the number of thankless jobs which I had been doing since years? That time I was just homely. Because I got success, people started objectifying. So I think definitely there are so many things attached to us because of our successes and failures. So, you know.
मतलब beauty with brains. Exactly. That is one term which has always been used. Always.
Yes.
और सबसे बड़ी बात है, मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता है कि जब तक आप कुछ काम नहीं करते हो या अपने दिमाग, मतलब घर में दिमाग नहीं चाहिए होता है क्या?
Yes, they don't understand.
दिमाग नहीं चाहिए होता, बिना दिमाग के हो जाती.
And meanwhile, brain is most important, required to serve, to put food on their table, and that is what one thing they don't understand.
जिस दिन नमक ज्यादा डाल देंगे ना, बिना दिमाग के पता चल जाएगा कि कहाँ पे ब्यूटी है, कहाँ पे ब्रेन है. सुंदर भी दिखने कम हो जाएंगे हम. ये है. So
agree totally.
Yeah, so there are more terms used, like, you know, we were seeing Meeta, we were seeing on Wikipedia. What did it say? That was really funny.
No, there is like we were talking about gold digger, because I will not name somebody, but it's all over the news and everybody knows that that gold digger is a very much a term that is being used. So I looked in at Wikipedia. Gold digger का exact definition, let me tell you. It is, Wikipedia says, give me a moment. A gold digger is a person, typically a woman, who engages in a type of transactional relationship for money rather than love. And when it turns into marriage, it is a type of marriage of convenience. But they don't say that gold digger could be any gender. It is typically a woman. So that is the terms is being used for us. And there's a whole dictionary.
Why?
Yeah, definitely.
There's so many. There's trophy wife. I mean, if it's a mistress, it is, used so derogatory all the time. Like mistress hai. I mean, Mister hai to respectful hai. Mistress hai to alag hi hai.
No,
Matlab.
Mister is a master.
No.
Mister is a master who's a provider, who's a caretaker. Mistress is something which is unofficial,
A home breaker.
transactional.
Oh, record.
Yeah.
No, but if a woman is involved with a man, she's called mistress. But what about the men who are involved with the women? Why do they have all positive approach, and how come a woman has so much of negative approach? I mean, that is a big question,
So
But why
is
does it
always
happen?
that has always been given for men, कि अगर men powerful है, strong है, they have like, मतलब अपना टिफिन ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. That's what we hear. कि टिफिन लेकर कौन आता है?
Tiffin carrier.
Oh, are you carrying a tiffin? Why do you need to carry a tiffin when you are traveling?
हाँ, वो भी बात है ना. तो जो टिफिन लेकर नहीं जाता है, तो बाहर से जब वो खाना खाता है, तो वो मिस्ट्रेस बन जाती है. So again, it's the girl's fault. So this is like totally weird, yeah. Like, how can you keep calling us different things and not judging the man?
Yeah.
No,
वो मिस्टर और मास्टर ही रहेगा. वो मिस्ट्रेस बोल के स्ट्रेस क्रिएट कर दिया, मुझे लगता है.
And similarly it goes with the trophy wife also. Many a times I see the people start calling trophy wife. Rather, I feel the man she chooses to accompany is the arm candy. Because a pole star never needs a constellation to prove its identity. So definitely these things are not required at all. We just have to learn it that these things are absolutely not required.
Okay. So I can see somebody in the audience who is saying, okay, one second. Somebody made a very good point. I just want to bring that point in. Okay, one of my relatives once told my cousin, "तू कितनी responsible है, काश तो मेरा बेटा होती." Very good point. पूजा समझा, very good point. काश मतलब बेटी क्यों? अगर मैं बेटी होके responsible होके नहीं, मतलब why do you need a sex conversion to be like responsible and do the, like Arpita was saying about being strong, ना Arpita? 4 किताब भी अगर हमारे हाथ में कोई देखता है तो मदद करने आ जाता है.
Hey, of course. It's like if I'm picking up something heavy in my store, so it'll be like, "Arey, you're too strong for a girl." I mean, like, what does that even mean? I'm too strong for a girl. Girls are not strong. I mean, we actually give birth. That requires the most, and ask a man to do it once. There was, in fact, I just remembered something. There was this antenatal class I attended when I was carrying my first child. So वहाँ पे ये था that the husbands will go through that, what is it called? They hang a shoulder strap, heavy boobs, and then a heavy stomach, and then they say कि आप एक बार feel करके देखो how is the woman feeling at this point in time, and then they tell women that, oh, you're being all hormonal and you're being all like that, is it that time of the month, and all that nonsense we hear on that pretext कि इतना changes हो रहे हैं. I mean, you go through half of it, we'll see how strong you men are.
No, Arpita, I totally agree. I mean, I don't understand how can hormones hijack your mind, because I can relate this problem of longevity. What happens when when I used to work, when I was unmarried, the company used to always think, oh, she won't be working longer because she would get married.
Yeah.
I got married, and then again the company was worried that I would get pregnant and then I might leave the job. Now when I got kids, again the company is worried, she might have to take a lot of leave because of kids. Yeah. So this mental level cannot be changed. This is really a big problem nowadays.
Yeah.
And they actually, I've heard comments saying कि, yeah, you guys are so lucky, you get periods break.
Yes.
मतलब कि lucky.
We don't want it. We don't want it exactly.
Why don't we trade it off?
नहीं, लड़कों वाले काम मत करो, तुम delicate नहीं लगोगी. Like you will not look feminine.
Body
I think looking feminine also, like Meenal said, has a lot to do with the haircut. So I went a very short bob some years back, and for the first time, I think in 30 years, I must have cut my hair, and that too like a full bob. And you know, I heard people telling me, "अरे अब तुम साड़ी कैसे पहनोगी?" And हमने कहा मैंने बाल ही काटे, मतलब I haven't cut any feminine part of my body off. I just cut my hair. So you know, what is the relevance in saying कि अब साड़ी कैसे पहनोगी, Indian कपड़े कैसे पहनोगी? जैसे पहले पहनती थी बाकी सब वही है मतलब. So yeah, I think that's
And
a
you
very
know, again, I want to say something Neeta Shetty has written on the group. Very interesting, okay? Because we are talking about gender life. She has written, today my mom-in-law said, it's good that my son cooks. Huh? Now there is no difference between boys and girls. I asked her what difference was there. मतलब कि खाना बना रहा difference खत्म हो गया.
I will tell her what is the difference, dear. See what happens. I'm a mother of a son and a daughter. When it comes to daughter, I know my daughter needs sanskar. But when it comes to son, I would definitely say that my son needs better sanskar than my daughter, because he should understand how he has to treat women later. So that's the difference we need to understand as a mom.
नहीं देखो, नॉर्मल टर्म में हाउ ऑफन डू वी हियर पीपल सेइंग कि तुम्हें तो बस अच्छा घर पढ़ लो, यू विल फाइंड अ गुड नाइस गाय फॉर यू. What do you mean by that? It's like very clearly you say that all your life is dependent on a nice guy. This term in itself is a sexist term.
मुझे तो लगता है कि ना मैं कुछ पता नहीं कौन सी दूसरी सेंचुरी से निकल कर आई हूँ. समटाइम्स आई गेट दैट फीलिंग. तो एक बार ना देयर वाज दिस पामिस्ट जो मेरे घर पे आया. उसने ना मेरा हाथ वाथ देख के बोला कि तुमको बहुत पद प्रतिष्ठा मिलेगी. एंड माय नाना जी वाज लाइक, बड़े बड़े लग रहा है कि बहुत बड़े घर की तुम बहू बनोगी. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि ये कौन सा पद प्रतिष्ठा था ना, बहू बन के पद प्रतिष्ठा, अंबानी और मतलब कहाँ जाके मेरे को पद प्रतिष्ठा मिलेगी. सो actually there is never been an identity यार, इसकी बीवी इसकी बहू ये पद.
Absolutely.
Yeah, the
See,
identity also comes from you know, this whole changing of surnames.
Yeah, absolutely.
People feel अरे शादी हो गई, चलो अब सरनेम बदल ही लो. तो मतलब आप अपनी आइडेंटिटी खो दो just because you decided to marry a man.
सरनेम छोड़ो, नाम भी बदल देते हैं.
Of course there are communities which change the first names as well.
अगर आपकी फैमिली में कोई सेम नाम हो गया तो आपका नाम बदल दो, क्योंकि हम अपनी फैमिली में तो किसी का नाम ऑलरेडी है.
Like Rashi also, the Rashi or some such astrological thing happens also with some friends I've heard. But मुझे लगता है कि हम अब, for example, Facebook, right? If we have to look for a batchmate, like Meenal, we know, right? If we have to look for someone, we don't recognize people anymore because they've changed their first name. Second name is फिर भी
but this,
I told you ना,
but yeah,
century से आए हैं अभी.
Yeah, Meenal, but this is very, very strange. You know, suddenly by birth, my dad used to call me Ritu Samani. I was Ritu Samani for 25 strong years. Suddenly I get married and I become Ritu Rathi. I mean, why does this not happen with boys? How come they stay with the same identity from their birth? I mean, why do we have to change it, yaar?
Okay, so let's talk about.
I think Meenal, every show we come back to patriarchy and patriarchy. Whether you talk about sexist terms, whether you talk about gender biases, everything is about, because the society is made by men.
Yes.
For men.
But when
all the primary powers are in the hands of men, I suppose. Okay, the social system is like that.
Yeah. So when we talk basically about these sexist terms, so ये sexist terms जो है ना, ये हमारे को सिर्फ men नहीं बोलते, women भी बोलते हैं.
Absolutely.
Like छोटे बाल के लिए my दादी used to say मर्दानो कट बाल कत्ता ही रखेगी, मर्दानो कट. You know, she used to keep saying ना, दादी मर्दाना कट क्या होता है, मतलब do they own this hairstyle?
पहले boy cut बोलते ही थे ना.
हाँ, boy cut
बोलते थे.
मारवाड़ी में तो जो उसकी धज्जी उड़ा दिया मेरे बालों की. So it was like that. So
it's like tomboys.
Yeah, so let's talk about, you know, what happens, like, you know, the terms that are used in the workplace. ये तो हमने घर की बात कर ली कि घर में इसने ये बोला वो बोला.
So oh, baby, your sweetheart, sweetie. No, sweetie, your point is not right. Let me put it like that. What does that mean? So we should also say, hey, honey, sit back. I can present my point myself.
So definitely. See, when I was working, one line I used to always keep on hearing was, oh, she can't climb a ladder, she's a woman. So these things, you know, they keep on prompting me that why can't we do that?
No, this is not the topmost priority for you. You can't keep on doing this forever. Kids
Absolutely.
are growing up. Now we are comfortable. Sweetie, why do you need to do that?
Yeah, your investment in a certain business, I mean, how much will you scale it up? After a while क्या करोगी? Husband का अगर transfer हो गया तो कितना scale up करके भी क्या कर लोगे? You know, I mean, all of this, yeah, I mean, people here, I have also heard these things. कितना scalability क्या है? How much will you be able to do this? You know, your daughter is growing up and whatever. She will. I mean, I actually went to it. It reached a point when my mother one day said that, you know, I don't think you're giving enough time to your daughter. And coming
Yes.
from my own mother, it really hit me hard. I said, Mama, really? And I contemplated, and since it's my only daughter, she's homeschooled, doesn't go to a proper school, so to say, but she's homeschooled and she needs more attention. So I actually shut that business down after a point, because I said, nahi yaar, mujhe to samajh mein nahi aa raha hai ki that guilt, you know, we sometimes just shroud ourselves in that guilt all the time, that I'm not being a good enough mother, I'm not being a good enough wife, like I'm
You know,
coming back
Arpita.
home at strange times
Yes,
in the
yes.
night,
This
because my
happens.
cafe is shutting at 11-12. By the time I get home, it's some 1:30 in the night. So it is a dilemma.
It's a dilemma because, you know, when the kids are unwell and if the father is taking care, then all of us, the entire family members would name us as bad mothers. If we take leave and we are at home, we are termed as bad employees. So I think in both the ways, we are into, you know, a biased situation. So definitely,
This is at least CEO level or managerial level. It's like somebody, typically if a woman junior level employee gets a promotion, what do they hear? Oh, boss, you must have pleased the boss. Oh,
Oh yeah.
he goes to the boss's cabin so many times. So every time, nobody, even if it is true, why nobody goes to a man and ask that, okay, are you giving her a raise because she is sleeping with you?
intelligent.
Why is always a woman that they go and ask?
नहीं, और वैसे भी अब तो प्लीजिंग का कोई फंडा नहीं है ना, बॉस मेल है और एम्प्लॉय मेल या फीमेल है तो प्लीज करके तो कोई भी ऊपर जा सकता है। नाउ वी शुड स्टार्ट आस्किंग एवरीबडी, तुम भी प्लीज हो करके गए थे क्या ऊपर? है ना, बिकॉज प्लीज तो कोई भी कर सकता है,
कोई भी कर सकता है।
तो अब जिसको रेज मिलेगा तुमने भी प्लीज करा होगा, आपकी मैं नहीं गई, यू नो, सो वी शुड
It's a common thing, yeah. I mean, any woman who climbs up the ladder on her own caliber also, but the speed is directly proportional to the number of favors you have given to your boss.
नहीं, और अगर आप थोड़े से भी मतलब इफ यू पुट योर फुट डाउन एंड से नो टू थिंग्स, आप अग्रेसिव टर्म करे जाते हो, या बी डैश 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 डैश, यू नो, सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म पे मेरे को नहीं बोलना चाहिए गंदे गंदे तो वो बोला जाता है। सो यू नो कि व्हाई, यू नो, पीपल हैव सेड यू आर डोमिनेटिंग। हेलो, जब आप एक बिजनेस रन कर रहे हो, मैं सबको हाँ कैसे बोल सकती हूँ? मुझे ना बोलना पड़ेगा, मुझे बुरा बनना पड़ेगा। तो अगर बॉस है तो बॉस है, वो मेल है, वो कोई है। When it comes to female, they will actually turn around and abuse you कि ये आंटी का दिमाग खराब हो गया है।
No, yeah, are you PMSing?
Yes.
It must be your periods time. और ना गुस्सा मत करो, wrinkles आ जाएंगे, तुम्हारा चेहरा खराब हो जाएगा।
Yeah, so you know, even जैसे मैंने एक न्यूज़ पढ़ी कुछ दिन पहले कि कोई फीमेल कॉप ने गोली मार दी जो गलत था। कभी मेल कॉप गोली नहीं, मतलब why do they address female cop, female politician, mother of two ने ये करा।
female doctors, I mean, so many things have been just focused on women's.
Yeah, मतलब father of
there has to be a female adjective assigned to any noun like a doctor, क्योंकि assume करें doctor है, male ही होगा, female doctor है, you know, अगर woman leader है, या it's a woman CEO, why women are cut out to be CEOs?
My sister is a doctor, and so many times she's been told, and she is petite, like she is not such a like huge personality, so they will say, अच्छा आप nurse हो, डॉक्टर को बुला दीजिए. So it's like they assume कि if it is a woman,
you know, those that powerful वो
magnitude नहीं है ना।
वो मेरे ना वो बुक याद आ गई, डेविल वेयर्स प्राडा। एक्चुअली यू नो, उसका जो एटीट्यूड था ना, वही एटीट्यूड चाहिए। देयर आर टाइम्स कि जब मैं मीटिंग के लिए गई हूँ ना, तो मैं इतना स्ट्रेट फेस और स्ट्रिक्ट फेस लेके घुसती हूँ या किसी से, तो वो अपने आप ही वो समझ जाते कि मैडम आई है। अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी कैजुअल चले गए ना, लाइक नॉर्मल स्माइल एंड ऑल, दे विल थिंक कि अच्छा भी कोई और पीछे से आ रहा है। सो
yeah, go ahead, sorry.
है ना, ये डिमीनर पे भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है ना अर्पिता, हाउ यू प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ, दैट दे टेक यू सीरियसली.
Demeanors, also I've even of course at work, but even in the work or a personal thing, women and this whole that friend zone जो होता है ना, उसमें भी ये demeanor इतना important हो जाता है कई बार, that you have to say no with your demeanor, because otherwise there is no friend zoning. ये है कि sexual favors, or मतलब how do you say no to that? If you're saying no, you're not like, आपको या तो बोलना पड़ेगा मैं तो शादीशुदा हूँ. Sometimes that even that doesn't deter people, by the way, nowadays. तो वो भी deterrent नहीं है, but I am taken or I am available for you. So there is,
if you say married ना, तो कहता है कि कोई बात नहीं, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. और
मैं कह रही हूँ आजकल वो भी deterrent है ही नहीं.
और ये भी कह दो कि बेटा तू मेरे बच्चे की उम्र का, तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता, एज से भी फर्क.
एज नो बार.
But yeah, you just say yes,
No,
social media के बाद तो ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है.
You know what, Meena? The same thing I have been facing a lot since I have become a social activist nowadays. So every time whoever mentions my name on his or her page, they would write women social activist, because they feel, I mean, women, they don't deserve to be a social activist. And many times I go for my work, So everybody in the family say you should be accompanied with some or the other men beside you, because all the way, the thing that, ki a woman cannot go alone and do a work. So that thing is always still going there.
और हाँ, मीता मुस्कुरा रही हैं, कुछ बोलना है उनको. She's laughing, thinking something.
My company is like husband and wife. We have been taking it forward, but till today, the employees, whenever there's a situation, they feel, अच्छा भाभी जी आप रुक जाओ, और मैम आप रुक जाओ, हम सर से बात कर लेंगे. Then you kind of look at them. What do you mean by that? It's like,
ये भाभी जी ने ले रखी है हमारी, ये ऐसे लगता है जब भाभी, ये वो पोस्ट आती है ना, who do you think you marry? ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे पूरी मोहल्ले की बहू, इसकी बहू, उसकी बहू, बुआ जी की बहू, मौसी जी की बहू, पूरी सबकी बहू और भाभी जी, जंग भाभी जी, जितने लोग रहे हैं भाभी जी, हाँ आ रही है भाभी जी. So मतलब it's like you see the roles. सबसे बड़ा रोल तो भाभी जी का है, उसके बाद माँ का.
That the power is like the men are the controlling ones, men are the decision makers, men are have the authority. However, whatever, even if you are at par, but the thought in people's mind is like, okay, a man can be the boss and a woman can be subordinate, who can take instruction. And so any managerial role, any beauty role, front desk, client handling, आप देख लो wherever, because it's just
that's
MBA किया है, क्या करे. अच्छा, you what is your specialization? HR. मतलब we have conditioned ourselves also, Meeta. It's not just the world. We have been so conditioned कि हम मानते ही हैं. I mean, do you take offense when somebody says, oh, a very strong woman leader? We don't take offense to it, right? How many of us take offense to such generalizations? I don't think so. I mean, I have been brought up in a very traditional family, understanding fully well कि भैया career वरियर सब ठीक है, लेकिन in the end घर संभालना आना चाहिए. So I didn't know how to cook. It was a big deal. Like when my grandmother met my prospective husband's family, she said, "अरे उसे तो खाना बनाना नहीं आता है." So my father-in-law, of course, how he was, very different from the generic population that we see. He said, "अरे हमने अपने बेटे को सब बनाना सिखाया, तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है." But that must be what, 1% of the entire population that we see.
Absolutely.
My family is not like that. So I was lucky enough to be married to such a person. But बाकी तो यही होता है, खाना बनाना सीख लो, बच्चे पालना सीख लो.
अर्पिता, में भी ना, मेरे केस में मैंने सुना था कि मेरे हस्बैंड को आता है बहुत सारी चीजें, लेकिन मैंने देखा नहीं.
देख भी लिया मैंने,
बड़ी हेल्प करी थी मेरी, कुछ नहीं करी है.
And Meenal, मेरे केस में तो I think my husband knew nothing. He was not good in kitchen. He used to never enter the kitchen. So when I entered, I got the term of super women. They thought को ये तो सब कुछ मैनेज कर ही लेगी अब.
So unknowingly जी जितने भी cuss words है ना, ये सारे women centric है.
Absolutely.
And when we come to think of it, कि ये okay, I can see Richa Khandelwal. Richa, you are coming after us, okay? तुम आ रही हो show पे, we'll talk to you. So Richa, she's sending us very good words. So ambitious man, crazy bitch. Okay, finally I said that word. So मतलब ये इतना normal हो गया है कि कुछ भी बोलो ये सारे cuss words. And मतलब अगर हम मेल्स के लिए cuss word use करते हैं, मेरे दिमाग में तो सिर्फ एक ही आता है हमेशा, उसके अलावा आता ही नहीं कि हम क्या बोलते हैं. But all these words.
Maybe you are abusing the mother only. You're not abusing the child.
In fact, yes, because
Yes.
then you're abusing the woman only technically.
सही कह रही हो. This is there. So you know, अच्छा एक बात मैंने शुरू में बताई थी कि हमारे बीच में अर्पिता बहुत talented है. So Arpita is going to sing a song for us. Arpita.
Yeah, I will sing the song. Thank you. अब talent तो मुझे ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, but हाँ गाना मैं गा देती हूँ. There is a reason, why I am choosing to sing this song today, because very often it's गाने कैसे सुशील लड़कियां कैसे गाने गाती हैं वैसे गाने गाने चाहिए. तो the first time I sang this song, a lot of older people commented कि अरे मुजरा भी गाते हो क्या ऐसे लोगों के. But I said आप लाइन सुनो, मतलब उस लाइन की एक अलग महिमा है मेरे लिए तो. So I'll sing a couple of lines of this for you. Yeah, so it's on karaoke and I will sing this. Yeah, just give me a second. Very different from the genre of songs Meenal has heard me sing, but I just think it's so we judge everything from such a gender thing.
नहीं अर्पिता तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त.
Absolutely, बिल्कुल मस्त, super मस्त.
अभी अर्पिता केवल मैं चीज नहीं हूँ, मैं इंसान हूँ. So
आगे ना sexism पे से अगर कपड़े अच्छे पहनो तो कहाँ जा रही हो, प्लान क्या है, where?
Exactly.
So हाँ मतलब
जा रही हो,
objectify करा हुआ है. So let's get Richa in. Richa, where are you? 1 second. Where is the chat? Richa Khandelwal, are you there?
Hi, Meenal, I'm here.
We would love to see you, yeah.
Okay. Maybe some other time.
Okay. Yes, Richa. Comments, yeah.
Yeah, so this is actually a topic which is quite close to my heart. And so when I was learning French at Alliance Française, I did a whole expose which was based on inequalities, but in France. And it's surprising that although France is, we consider it a very feminist country, the same sort of problems exist there as they do here. So in French, you have some professions and some words which exist only in the masculine, like for example, doctor or an engineer. And so now various people or societies have come up with different ways of, showing equality and using different terms. But the Académie Française, which sort of manages the French language, has not accepted these changes. They are not ready to move. And so you have a term called il in French, which means they. But that means even if it's 99 women in a group and 1 man, it's still going to be il, which means they in the masculine form. It's elle, female, only if it is a group completely of females. And so we say in French, le masculin l'emporte sur le féminin, which means masculine wins over the feminine.
So how do we change that? ये सारे cuss words हमने discuss करे, सारी situations discuss करी. तो सबसे पहली बात है कि सिपिंग थॉट्स पे आने के बाद मुझे जो क्या लगा कि जो चीजें मैं नॉर्मली एक्सेप्ट करती आ रही थी, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं झंडा लेके निकल गई और लड़ाई झगड़े करने शुरू कर दिए. द थिंग इज आई हैव स्टार्टेड गिविंग थॉट्स टू थिंग्स कि अभी ये नहीं होगा, अभी ये रोकना पड़ेगा. इफ समबडी इन माय हाउस सेज समथिंग, आई हैव टू से इट वेरी पोलाइटली. अगर कोई पूछेगा कि नहीं समझोगी तो मैं सवाल करती हूँ कि क्यों नहीं समझूंगी. मतलब भगवान ने दिमाग मुझे कम दिया कि मैं लड़की हूँ. व्हाट इज द रीजन? So how do you think we have to stop it somewhere, but how do we do that?
Sorry to interrupt them again, but Meenal, I was reading on your on the page on sipping thoughts that a lot of women say we should ignore this, and that's how it's going to go away. That is, I do not agree at all.
Absolutely.
By ignoring it, we are giving silent acceptance.
वही बात है ना, आंखें बंद कर लो तो ये सोचो कि कोई दुनिया देख नहीं रही है. So that is a very silly thing to.
जितना दबोगे उतना दबाएंगे.
So Meenal, Richa, normally what I started with, people think that it's a hen party. When women are doing any kind of a program, conversation, talk, it's normally assumed that they just want to pass time, they just want to get together, and they just want to talk about feminism. The whole idea behind this conversation is like we read up lot of articles. Somewhere I feel that it is changing me in the process. When we talk, we go back home, we think about it, and maybe we learn from each other every time that what do we need to change around. It's just that, as most of the women said, that ignorance is not the
No.
solution.
Ignorance is not the solution at all. I mean,
Absolutely not.
We are like Richa said, that it's silent acceptance. I mean, I teach my daughter, she is all of 12 years old, and I continue to tell her these things, that there is no need to take shit even if it's coming from me. Why would you just don't take anything lying down. If you don't like something, if you don't like something, the no has to be of prominence. The yes might be little less prominent, but the no has to be primarily importantly said, like, and that's how if I had a son, I would pretty much do the same. But I tell my daughter to be as fierce as possible.
कई बार हमें रियलाइज नहीं होता कि हमने भी सेक्सिस्ट कमेंट्स मारे थे. वी आर नॉट, मतलब मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि मैं दूध की धुली हुई. ब्यूटी विद ब्रेन्स तो मैंने बहुत आराम से यूज करा हुआ है, और मुझे भी कोई बोलता तो मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती थी.
फीलिंग तो अच्छी आती है.
मुझे लग रहा है कि यार ये हुआ क्या था.
नहीं, even Meenal, when we move on streets, काफी बार boys just keep on screaming and hooting back, sexy comments, whatever. So what maximum of the girls they do, they ignore it and they just walk off. But what I feel we should do, we should go to them and ask them to repeat them again and again, that we didn't hear it clearly. So this thing should be there. They should make it realize that what they used was wrong. Ignoring is never a solution.
Yeah.
मुझे पर्सनली लगता है ना कि वो केस होगा तो मैं शायद इग्नोर करके चली जाऊंगी. मैं डर जाऊंगी उनको देख के.
No, it is not advisable. Because
डिपेंड करता है. You feel so scared, वही बात. अभी हमारा इतना सेफ नहीं हुआ है, एंड पुलिस वाले को भी देखोगे तो भी
कितना इग्नोर करोगे यार.
I start feeling safe कि मैं जाके कुछ बोलूंगी और मेरे साथ कुछ गलत नहीं होगा, उस दिन तो हिम्मत पड़ जाएगी.
यार एक बात बताओ, पहले एजुकेटेड लोगों को हम लिटरेट लोगों में चेंज. It's like then those we talk about street comments and everything.
I agree.
It is in our
it's needed at a different level. First it's needed in our immediate surroundings. I mean, ये बहुत पहले जरूरी है.
So I can see some I think males have joined the conversation, so it is always good to hear their point of view, क्योंकि वो यही सोचेंगे, ये लोग अपनी अपनी बात तो बोल रही है, हमारा कोई नहीं सुनेगा. So Aditya ji and Mr. SD, I'm calling you because मेरे को दिक्कत हो रहा है pronounce करने में. So guys, would you want to come in and say something? Aditya, Buddhi, Raja, sir. Okay. Sir has decided not to say anything. Okay, Mr. SD, would you like to come in and say something? It's always Mr. Dominic, would you like to come? Okay, they don't want to talk to us, huh? They don't want to talk to us. Anyhow, anybody else who wants to come in and say anything? Okay, Neeta Shetty ji, would you like to come? You can talk to us. We are just normal people.
Yes, of course. Hi.
Yes, I heard somebody.
Yeah, that's me, Neeta Shetty.
Yes, Neeta ji, please.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's been a wonderful conversation so far, and I can resonate with almost everything that you guys are saying. Having been in a corporate job and now I work as a therapist, even there I do find that, people who walk in to get a therapy session done generally feel that, oh, if it's a body work, a man would probably be doing a better job than a woman. And that is a little bit, I mean, it's not correct because it doesn't require anything which a man can do and a woman can't. We are all the same. So, and there's so many other such things which keep happening on an everyday basis. One incident which comes to my mind and I'd like to share it had to do with, a group in our WhatsApp, which is a family, like couple group. okay, with me and my husband and other friends. And I had sent a joke in it which had some sexual undertones with no gender attached to it. And I was surprised to hear my husband say that probably it wasn't appropriate to send it. And, it was not as if I'm the only one who's done it. Everybody else, especially the men in the group, have done it and it was fine. So why is it not fine for me to do it? So I did question him, and I totally agree with what Arpita said about, that we need to speak up and not just leave the thing there, because
Yes.
ignoring it is not going to help us in any manner. I think Ritu also pointed it out very well. And I think it's very important. I have 2 sons, and I'm making sure to bring them up in a manner where they understand that women are not any lesser or more. They are equal to you. And so
Yes.
you don't have to give any preferential treatment to them. You just need to be fair in everything that you do, just as you would with your own gender. So just be fair. That's all.
So
thank
I
you very
just
much.
actually feel that the comparison only is, at the comparison level only we are so flawed that why is the comparison needed only?
Actually.
Are we better as a gender? Are we lesser as a gender? Do we need to prove? I find the whole basis of this, thing only very sexist. कि हमें prove क्यों करना है?
I know.
हम superior वैसे ही हैं.
Why can't we, why can't we just be normal humans and just, working men, working women, and normal humans? Why do we need support of so many objectives? I mean,
So, on Facebook, we have a message from Koili Mukhopadhyay. She says, I'm in legal profession. When I shout in the court, the judges react with change in facial expression, as if indicating, don't put down your voice. But that surprises me. And I at times oblige just to satisfy them to get the order in my favor. So what a thing to say, yaar. Mat karo yaar aise. So there's another message from Harshita Singh says, I'm an assistant professor, and after I got married, no college wanted to hire me. The reason is because I would have become very male students' fantasy. Interesting point. But okay. So, she's written, this is a weird this thing. I'm an assistant professor and I got married, or ye tha ki nahi lena hai kyunki wo fantasy ban jayegi. So how is it her fault? How is it her fault if she's become the fantasy?
it's the fault of the people who are fantasizing, so that's not her fault. Absolutely.
So I think Miss Sujata. So okay. So I would like to ask the audience कि आपने क्या क्या sexist comments सुने अपनी जिंदगी में? You can message it to us on the chat. मैं भी लिखती हूँ अपना. So I want the panelists also to write. Come on, all of you write.
So, Meenal, I just remembered something very interesting. It's not a sexist comment, but in the food industry, when you're working in a kitchen, it's a largely male-dominated space. The kitchen per se, yeah. So when the first time I was working in a kitchen, there was an old Indian food chef, and I told him, I said, "Ustad, अपन ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे बनाएंगे." So he's saying, "आप सिखाओगी मेरे को?" मतलब, for even that level. And he was coming from this whole perspective कि आप पैदा नहीं हुए थे ना जब से मैं खाना बना रहा हूँ. But had it been my age and a male consultant, they would never have taken that liberty. और मुझे ना बड़ा जैसे I used to wear my dainty flats, whichever I used to like. I used to wear mojri and go most of the times या whatever. तो मुझे बोलते थे कि मैम ये मत पहन के आया करो क्योंकि already orders लेने में इतनी problem होती है इन लोगों को आपसे कि ये ना गरम तेल गिरा देंगे किसी दिन. It's the easiest thing to do. कि तेल तो गरम रहता ही है फ्रायर में कि मैम जूते ऐसे पहन के आया करो. मतलब of course there are kitchen specifications for people who are cooking, but as a consultant मेरे लिए वो specification नहीं था, but मुझे बोला जाता था कि मैम ऐसे ही आओ.
So when I used to, initial days when we were learning to make flower arrangements. So I used to make flower arrangement, get very excited about it, went home, and by the time you come back, all the boys working at the store, even if I'm the boss, they would open up all the arrangements. Making an like, how can they accept that a woman is a better artist or equal artist or something?
गुंजन सक्सेना में भी तो ये हुआ, मतलब they were like, you know, ऑर्डर कैसे लेंगे?
Yes.
ये बॉस ना बन जाए, इसका ऑर्डर भी लेना पड़ेगा. अभी तो सलाम ठोकना पड़ रहा है, अगर ये हमारे वो हो गई, लीडर हो गई, तो हमें इसे ऑर्डर भी लेना पड़ेगा.
लेडीज टॉयलेट ही नहीं है.
हाँ, मतलब taking order from a woman is such a this thing derogatory thing for males. It's like strange. क्यों भैया, मम्मी से मार नहीं पड़ी, मम्मी से डांट नहीं पड़ी, तो where's the problem? मतलब yeah, we are so integral part of their lives, of everybody's life. So how's it? मतलब I think we all need to, you know, start working towards it. कि
Yes.
नहीं लेना है, start changing. So anyhow, so Ritu, what is your takeaway from the show?
See, definitely, we cannot fight with the entire world to change, and keep on telling them to stop using such adjectives. But what we need to do right now is to first change individually. Every man, every woman, every human have to change themselves individually. First, we change ourselves and the world will change. So definitely, let's raise up good children. So at least they are far away from such, they are really far away from this kind of a world. What we have faced, definitely they shouldn't face it. For this, the most important work is to raise up good children with good values, definitely.
Arpita, the singer. Arpita, गा के बता दो, what is your takeaway?
Definitely, Arpita, one song again.
एक song तो और चलेगा अर्पिता. अरे लाड़की का कोरस गा दे चल.
तेरी लाडकी मैं छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा हाथ. अभी यही इतना जेंडर स्पेसिफिक है ना कि मेरे पापा हैं तो मैं उनका हाथ छोड़ ही नहीं सकती. मतलब मुझे कभी
लाडकी नो अर्पिता, सी वहां पे रेफरेंस देखो. अभी लाडकी क्या है कि हम सब लाडले हैं ना, जैसे अपने हस्बैंड के भी हैं, बेटों के भी हैं, बेटियों के भी हैं, हम सब हैं ना. एंड वी आर ऑल होल्डिंग देयर हैंड्स. We just want them also to hold our hands.
Hold our hands.
Sorry,
मतलब वो बोले कि हम तुम्हारा हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, तो बात हुई ना. हम
ये
तो नहीं
है कि मतलब sexist comments के reference में I'll just say that this song for me means that it is such a dilemma for a girl, right? मैं अगर ससुराल में हूँ तो if anybody in my house here now will say कि अच्छा मम्मी के घर, अपने घर कब जा रही हो, मतलब मम्मी के घर कब जा रही हो, अपने घर कब जा रही हो. वहां वो पूछेंगे अच्छा तुम्हारे घर पे सब ठीक है, तो मैंने कहा कौन से घर की बात कर रहे हो, मतलब इधर तो कौन सा है.
अरे बल्कि फोन पे भी नंबर्स वैसे स्टोर किया जाता है, dad Assam, dad Surat, because you yourself are so much confused.
So I feel this song has that relevance, that it is an identity which we hold on to so dearly, and that is, I think, the larger relevance of the song for me, more than just the words.
So again, I see Meeta smiling.
I agree so much with all of you, but my takeaway is like हमारी इतनी छोटी-छोटी चीजों में sexism है ना, कि अगर दिन भर में तुम ये सोच लो कि आज का मेरा एजेंडा है कि मैं सिर्फ यही नोटिस करूंगी कि वो how many words have been told, how many actions have been taken around us, which is directly or indirectly very sexist, very very sexist. अब आप ये बोल भी रहे हो कि this song about मैं हाथ नहीं छोड़ूंगी. So it means from one man to another man, the man is the one who is going to take care of you. The man is the one who will be. It is not a thought of partnership. Yes. It is not a thought of being equal.
It is not.
आप अगर वर्क प्लेस में जाते हो, मैंने अपना बहुत ज्यादा टाइम अपने वर्क प्लेस में बिताया है, घर में या सोशल लाइफ में कम बिताया है. It's just that if a girl is dressed up beautifully and entering the office, you immediately label her. Oh, look at her. So you can see men looking at the woman. Irada kya hai? Why is she judged? When you are in a meeting, if the conversation में decision making होनी है, all the eyes will go among the men. Like they will look at each other. Nobody will say that. Acha, you tell us what do you think? Because
I want to.
A woman is taken as a subordinate. That better decisions to be taken by men. It is toxic. I
want to bring Pooja Tamta in. I think she has something nice to say to us. Pooja ji, please come in. Can you unmute yourselves? Pooja ji, are you there? Okay, I think she wanted to come in, but she's not coming in. Anyhow, so I will talk about my takeaway from the show is, honestly speaking, जब टॉपिक नहीं आया था ना, मैंने दिमाग भी नहीं लगाया था. तो जब टॉपिक आया तो मैंने सोचना शुरू करा, पढ़ना शुरू करा, फिर मेरे को लगा कि यार एक्चुअली कितनी सारी ट्रॉफी वाइफ अगर मैं देखूंगी भी ना तो मुझे लगा यार कितना नॉर्मल टर्म है. आई वोंट इवन गिव इट अ थॉट. सो पॉइंट इज आई स्टार्टेड गिविंग इट अ थॉट कि यस वी नीड टू स्टॉप इट. नॉट फॉर अस, हमने तो शायद झेल लिया, अपने लिए भी करना है, लेकिन हमारी आगे की जनरेशन के लिए रोकनी बहुत जरूरी है. तो अभी से हम काम करना शुरू करेंगे तो शायद हमारी आगे की जनरेशन को ये सब चीज नहीं झेलनी पड़ेगी. सो वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर आवर डॉटर्स, आई थिंक.
Yes.
So that is my takeaway from the show.
Why only daughters, Meenal?
Why not sons?
Sons को पापा लोग हैं ना संभालने को. बेटियों को हम संभाल लेते. No, of course we love them both equally. दोनों को सिखाना समझाना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes.
So at that, yeah, I would like to say thank you to everybody. Ritu, Arpita, Meeta, Pooja, Hamida, everybody. Thanks a lot for taking out time for our show. And we expect you guys next time की कैमरा ऑन करके हमसे बातें करो तो हमें ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. वो नाम से बातें करनी पड़ती है हमें. So you know, next time come join the show, talk to us. It'll be great fun to hear your views. So at that I would say bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Meeta. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye. See you all.